Hey friends, if you wish to enable the dark mode in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through two possible methods. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the personalization tab and select colors. Corresponding to colors, there's an option to choose your mode and you can change it to the dark mode. See, light mode can be the default one or you can change it to the dark mode. But there's another option, return to personalization and select background. You have themes here. If you choose a light theme, everything will become light. Okay. And if you choose the dark theme, okay, we'll have to go to themes. If you choose the light theme, everything will become light, and if you choose a dark theme, everything will become dark. It may also have shades and tints of blue and red and other colors. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.